Okay, so the thing to know about an ellipse is what it isn't. It is not a circle. That's a circle. It's not a football-shaped shape with little points at the edges. And it's not an oval with a flat edge like this. Like an oval looks like a circle that's just been kind of stretched. An ellipse is a circle that is vanishing to or receding into the distance like a vanishing point. So remember when we were doing our 1 point perspective drawings and we did the cube, and as it vanishes it gets kind of distorted, like it gets stretched? This is kind of similar, but it's more like it's getting tipped, and the angle that you're seeing it from is reflected in the way it's drawn. So like up here, this is when your jar or your cup is looked at from a head-on perspective. You're looking at it straight from your eye level. So it looks like a flat line. When you tip it, you start to see more. Or when you're changing your vantage point, you see a little bit more. You change your vantage point again, you see a little bit more. Change your vantage point again, you see a little bit more, all the way until you get a circle. So this is something you want to keep in mind when you're doing your drawings of still lifes. And the first kind of still life exercise we'll get is drawing a cup or glass or whatever you have lying around at home. So I'll pause now and then I will do a sighting exercise to draw this lovely little glass.